Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from Shark Tank. For many, vacuuming is a boring chore, but it doesn't have to be. Try the Jarvis Hero i3 cordless vacuum to see what I mean. The Jarvis Vac is the world's first African-American owned vacuum cleaner company, intended for ease and convenient use. Jarvis is the first interactive vacuum. You can hear and see via the power meter when increased power is automatically given, confirming that debris has been detected even when you can't see it. Now also, the UV germicidal light attachment is 99.9% effective at killing bacteria, allergens, and more. And its built-in vibrating pads are great for getting pet hair and mites off fabric. And of course, the LED headlights on the floor brush spot hidden dirt and ensure that nothing is left behind. Visit jarvisvac.com to make vacuuming your home and car a pleasurable experience.